Let's talk about managing product costs. It's a competitive world that we live in. And whether you're in engineering, procurement, or operations, certainly your company requires that you deliver competitive products. And by competitive, I mean your products provide the features, the functions, the benefits that your customers require, all at a competitive price. Well, with your competitors nipping at your heels, and with inflation, with rising component costs, rising labor rates, the task becomes all the more daunting. Well, you have options. You can raise your prices to meet your margin goals, but you may price yourself out of the market. You can seek alternate sources of supply for your components, but they may not meet your technical requirements. Or you can leave your prices where they are, sacrificing margin, but this is not sustainable because you'll certainly not meet your company's goals that way. Well, I'm Tom Brands, and I'm here to introduce ProductCost.com, where we're all about product cost management. The solution lies in cost management. Most companies are not deliberate in how they manage product costs. It may be that your company handles it on an ad hoc basis. It's like a knee-jerk reaction instead of a systematic solution. It's like a temporary endeavor instead of an ongoing effort. Well, at ProductCost.com, we recommend handling cost management as a project, not on an ad hoc basis. It should be pre-planned, deliberate, and structured. Many companies will assign the task of cost reduction to a single person. And whatever job function that person normally fills, well, that's the skill set they're going to apply to this problem. So for example, if it's somebody from procurement, it's likely they'll go after the current suppliers to try to squeeze out a better price. Or maybe they'll try to reduce freight costs. Or perhaps look for new suppliers to provide components at a better price. And they may do all this without necessarily involving operations or engineering. So it may be the improved freight costs result in less than reliable kind of deliveries, and this will cause a headache for operations. Or maybe these newer, lower price components from a new supplier, maybe they don't meet engineering's technical requirements. To be fair, if somebody from engineering were in charge of cost reduction, maybe they wouldn't involve operations or procurement. At ProductCost.com, we advocate a team approach. Just like in sports, you need to have people from different roles with different skill sets that can come together to be successful. In American football, you need to have the slender, fast, wide receiver with sure hands to catch the ball and run for a touchdown. But you also need to have the quarterback with the strong arm, the accurate passer who can deliver the ball to the wide receiver. And the quarterback needs the big, strong lineman to protect him in the pocket. So these different roles, different skill sets coming together to be successful. Product cost management should be approached systematically as a project by a team. At ProductCost.com, we'll train each member of your team in a common methodology with common goals so that they all speak a common vocabulary. So for example, everyone on the team is going to understand what's meant by cost, by margin, and by price. In addition, we train on how to develop a business case, how to benchmark, and basic project management. All key elements in success. Let's take a look at the website, and let's look at training, where you'll see two courses. The first is Manage Product Costs as a Team, and this embodies what I've said so far in this video. And I'm going to click on Learn More here. And what I've said so far is that cost management should be approached systematically as a project by a team. And this course is for all the members of your team. The next course is under development, and this is Business-Centric Cost Engineering. I'll click on Learn More here. And simply put, this course will teach engineers to execute engineering projects with a business focus. So projects should be planned with the input from other functions, with the ability to redirect a project at critical junctures. Okay, and next I'm going to click on Consulting using our team. And what we're saying here is that working with you Our consulting team focuses on identifying cost-saving opportunities throughout the product's life cycle. And that's from design and sourcing through to production and distribution. I also want to point out our offer for free consultation. And right now, we're offering 1 hour free consultation, and you can sign up here for that. If there's any other questions, click contact here, and we'll be glad to reach out to you and try to answer your questions. All right, in conclusion, it's most likely your company requires that you deliver competitive products, and it's also very likely they require you deliver margins. And ProductCost.com is here to help you deliver. And I want to encourage you to visit our website, and I also want to encourage you to take advantage of our offer of 1 hour of consultation free of charge. And this will be a chance for you to learn how ProductCost.com can help you reach your goals.